Everyone deserves a happy sex life, pleasurable performances, a natural and sensual intimacy. But sometimes there are complications. Over 50% of men aged 40 to 70 experience erectile dysfunction, and most suffer in silence. Popping pills may give a short-term sexual boost, but this merely mitigates some of the symptoms and doesn't tackle the cause. And up until now, there was no way to reverse sexual aging and rediscover spontaneous sex. But new, groundbreaking, extracorporeal-focused shockwave therapy has revolutionized many men's sex lives. Meaning many men and their partners can look forward to spontaneous sex again. This proven and pain-free procedure, undertaken by Europe's leading specialists, stimulates the body to naturally repair and reinvent itself. The focused shockwave emits low-intensity shockwaves, regenerating healthy stem cells to replace and rejuvenate damaged tissue, and breaks down plaque and unblocks blood vessels in the penis. This leads to the propagation of new and repair of existing blood vessels, and activation of sensitive nerve tissues, resulting in a more powerful, faster flow and buildup of blood in the penis, leading to many men enjoying a fuller erection, a harder penis, a more sensitive shaft, and longer lasting and more powerful erections. Thousands of men are benefiting from this groundbreaking treatment, and it could be you. The procedure is pain-free and there are no reported side effects. You can resume a normal life immediately after treatment. Book a consultation today at a discreet private clinic in Knightsbridge, London or Richmond, Surrey, to see whether you're eligible for this treatment. Mansmatters, Europe's leading specialist ED shockwave clinic. Visit www.mansmatters.co.uk.